Hi everybody, my name is Christian Limage. I am a naturopathic doctor. I've been working in the field of natural medicine for like more than 35 years. So I've created like 3 kits after 35 years of clinician work. I know exactly what works and I know exactly what kind of herbs are working very well together. The first thing that you need to understand is that all of the herbs that we are using in Limage Health are like organically grown or well crafted. The second thing is that the 3 kits are going to help your body, because your body is like a machine. Your body is like a living machine able to self-regenerate, self-heal, and self-repair by itself. The conditions is that your body internally stay clean. So I have 3 kits, and today I'm going to talk to you about the first kit. It's called the Detox Kit. So in the Detox Kit, we have like 3 products. Okay, and don't forget that they've been used like for years and years and years. So you can count on Limage Health to provide you the best herbs and the best combination of herbs. So then we have like the first one, we have 5. So 5 is a herbal combination. It is a fiber that we don't find in like normal food like fruits or vegetables or like cereals or whatever. It's called like a mucilaginous fiber. A mucilaginous fiber is like unique in the herbal kingdom, and what it does is that when you mix it in the water, it becomes like, it expands, it becomes like kind of a sponge. And the reason why people are getting sick is because the body is becoming toxic. I can tell you that. This is what I've been able to observe for like 35 years of practice. So like any other machine, the only way to keep a machine working well is to make sure that the machine stays clean. The body is absolutely the same thing. So don't forget, energy doesn't come from food. Most of the people are eating like plenty of food on a daily basis. They're eating like 3 meals a day, they're eating snacks in between meals, and they're still complaining of being completely drained and having a lack of energy. So energy comes from a clean body. You need to keep the inside of your body, you need to keep yourself like internally clean all the time. And this is exactly what the Detox Kit is going to do. So like I said, the 5 unique blend of herbs, high quality herbs, goes into the bowel, expand in the water that you mix it, and then acts as a sponge. So the reason why the body is getting sick and losing energy is because your body is becoming toxic. We're living in a world where the water supply, the food supply, and even like the air supply is polluted. So the only way to make the body feel better and start getting better and better and stronger is to keep you internally clean. And that's exactly what the 5 is going to do. So it expands, like I said, it goes into the gut, and then it starts absorbing like a sponge all the toxins, all the, like pesticides, herbicides, all the chemicals that you have like in your health, in your food, then they're going to start being absorbed. And then you have another product that you need like to mix with the 5, and this one is called the Vibe. So the Vibe is a unique mix of herbs again, and it's extremely alkalizing. So the human species is an alkaline species. And when you're mixing it with the 5, then like I said, the 5 is going to start expanding, and then the Vibe makes the drink extremely alkalizing, very, very high in antioxidants, top quality herbs again. And when it goes into your bowels, it starts to soothe the bowel wall. Okay, so which is going to make you like deflate like a tire. So most of the people are like complaining of being bloated, they have a lot of gas, they have like belching, they have like burping, like they just feel uncomfortable after eating or like the whole day. We see people more and more like with big bellies, having lower back problems. There's a lot of problems that are caused because the bowels are not eliminating well. And don't forget that your body has been designed with 4 channels of elimination, 4, that are working 24 hours a day to keep your body clean. And the main one is the bowel. And the Detox Kit has been designed to clean the bowel, to make sure that your body is able to eliminate all the waste, all the toxins, all the pollution that you tend to accumulate inside of your body tissues. So then you mix it, you take it twice a day, it's for 21 days. And then the other kit, the other like product that you have is a herbal combination, again, very high quality, organically grown, well crafted. And this one is in capsule form. And this one has been designed like to feed the bowel wall, to give it back like it's tone, okay? So inside of our bowels, we have like a movement, okay? This movement is called the peristaltic action of the bowel. And because we're eating like way too much food that creates a lot of, you know, like there are like gluey and sticky, for example, like, bread or like rice or whatever, what happens is that on the wall of the bowel, you start accumulating a lot of waste. And this is like stopping the movement. So this one, which is called like the flow is to make sure that you're gonna start creating a good flow. So you're gonna start having like 1 bowel movement a day and 2 bowel movements a day. And this is going to make a huge difference, because when you eat your food, instead of the food like staying inside of you for way too long and creating like fermentation and putrefaction, you're gonna start accelerating the elimination. So you're not gonna get diarrhea, you're not gonna get the runs. This stuff has been used like for 35 years, don't forget, so I know what I'm talking about, and you can count me on that. It's just going to create like this like, how can I say, like it's gonna make the body being able to eliminate well in a very, very smooth way. And you're just gonna start feeling a lot better, a lot lighter. Energy is gonna start feeling better because all of your body fluids are gonna get like cleaner. And don't forget that it's for 21 days. Don't forget that you need like to eat much more fruits and vegetables to get the fiber, to get like the water in the fruits and vegetables. Anyway, like, you know, like if you really want to understand everything and how these products are amazing when you start taking them, you can like go on my, you know, like on the website, Limoges Health, okay, so limoges.health, and then you're gonna see like all my videos like on my YouTube channels, and then you're gonna start understanding the whole thing. Don't forget, the more you understand what you're doing, the more you understand how wonderful your body has been designed and created, the more you start understanding what you need, what kind of food you need to eat, how to feed your body so that your body can heal, rebuild, and regenerate by itself. Don't forget, this is the way you've been designed. So, like, congrats, you know, because if you're seeing this video, maybe you've already received like the box. So you see that we're a very, very eco-friendly company. You know, like I'm here like to just help human beings, help the planet. You know, like I'm passionate about life. So this box, paper, like carton, like everything like is recycled, you know, like has been like created with like paper that is like is recycled, excuse me. And you will see like that those things inside of the box are coming from corn. They're made from corn to make sure that, like, you know, like to just keep everything in the box and to make sure like that you're just gonna get like everything like, you know, like clean and everything like when you get the box at home. So again, thank you for listening. Don't forget to go on my YouTube channel, and I am like wishing you amazing health. Thank you.